Hi everyone. If you want to learn n8n, first of all, you need to know about what is trigger. Yes, this is the most important part in n8n and AI automation. This helps our workflow to execute that how we would like. Okay, so first of all is this one, manual trigger. How this one actually works. Whenever you have created a workflow and just click execute workflow, then the manual trigger works. Let me show you how. Now I have just clicked on execute workflow. That means this helps, like whenever we click in execute workflow, this automates our workflow. Let's show an example to you. Okay, so now I will add a Google spreadsheet, Google Sheet in. Okay, so I will choose get rows in sheet. What does this one mean actually? This one actually mean to get data from Google Sheet. Okay, so you have to also create, whenever you use Google Sheet, you have to create credentials. So how we can actually create a new credential? Let me show you. Create new credential, then sign in with Google. Okay, so then choose your Gmail account, then continue. That means now our credential has been created in Google Sheet. Done. Then in document section you have to from list, then choose which spreadsheet or Google Sheet you want to choose. I will choose now n8n. Okay, and the sheet number is 1. Okay, now our work is done and I want to get data from Google Sheet. Okay, so now whenever I just execute my workflow, now you can see the automation has been done. Just whenever you use manual trigger, you have to just execute workflow, then it will work. It will not work if you don't execute workflow. So you can see that it has get data from my Google Sheet, and here is 11 items it's showing. Let's see what is it. Okay, then a table. Okay, then in row 2 we can see that why IT freelance skill are high demand in row. Okay, so this is our manual triggers work. Okay, now second is chat trigger. Okay, now we will learn that how actually chat trigger works. Okay, so chat trigger actually works whenever you just give chat message, so this one responds to your messages. Okay, so in chat trigger we can also see the example with an AI agent. So I will choose here AI agent, then keep important node, that is just this one, connected chat trigger node. So this will respond to our chat trigger. Okay, but what is defined below, I will show you in another video. Then just now what we have to do actually, now we have to select a chat model. Okay, so I will choose Google Gemini. Okay, then just create new credential, then you have to give here an API key. So I recommend you to select here and just paste your API key from Google. Now how you will get an API key? Just go to open docs, then just scroll down. Now here you can see, then get a Google Gemini. Here you can see API key, so I will select this one. Okay, then API documentation. Now get API key. So just here you have to do create a new API key. Okay, then just select this one, and if you have projects then select, or if you don't have projects in Google Cloud, then create new project. So I have actually, so I will choose this one, then create key. So this one is our Gemini API key. So then click and copy this one. Okay, just go to your n8n website, then paste your API key here. Just save. Now you can see our credential has been created successfully. Okay, so now how does this one works? Okay, so here you can see if you use chat trigger, you can also see here at chat form. Okay, so I don't need these things right now. Clear execution. So I will give just hi. Here you can see we have just received message from our AI agent. Okay, so what is today's date? So this one is showing actually 11 June 2024 because this is the latest model I have here chosen, the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. So this model is has the news up to 11 June 2024. So this is not able to give you the current information. But if I say that give me best idea for content for YouTube content. So here you can see that our message from our AI agent that how to find your best YouTube content idea. First of all, self-reflection, what is your generation level? So here you can see a lot of details that our of our given topic. Okay, so the third one is schedule trigger. Okay, so now we will learn what is schedule trigger and how does this one work. Okay, so here you can actually automate a workflow with schedule trigger, like you have give that the date or hours or after how many minutes to run or execute your workflow. So then it will just execute your workflow. So I will just choose right now in seconds. So just after 30 seconds to execute our workflow. Okay, so done. Then I will just choose this one and okay, so I want to get data, then I will just here choose filter, yeah, filter, and no, I don't need this one, filter, split, yes, split out, yes, this one. Okay, so just here right now I will just here choose schedule trigger, then execute this one. Okay, so here you can see 11 items, so I want that he split out. Here you can see a lot of things, the title, keywords, word limits, subheadings, FAQ, language, etc. But I need only title, which is generated or given in our Google Sheet. So this one will just collect the titles, okay, and just if you see that I will just publish and send message. Okay, just Gmail. Okay, so I want an send message. Here Gmail node, you have to first create credentials, so I will show you how. Just sign in with Google, very simple, and choose your Gmail account, then select all, then continue. Okay, so I want to send message to my Gmail, that and subject will be your blog titles. Okay, so the message will be here. Just wait a second here. Here you can see our split out has just given only titles. So he has, what does he do? He just filtered out all the data from our Google Sheet. Okay, so I want them to send in my. Okay, so what I will do on the title, so I want all these in my. Okay, so our schedule trigger will send message after every 30 seconds. So I will just publish here, publish, got it. Okay, just I will keep this like, and I don't need this one right now. Okay, so our schedule trigger will just automate these and send message automatically after 30 seconds. So I have to wait right now only 30 seconds. Okay, so let me tell you something, that I will consistently create YouTube videos and very informative about n8n, WordPress, and also little bit about blogging. So let me check, did I get any message from our schedule trigger? Let me check this one. Okay, so you can see right now a lot of message this one has sent. So why I have got too many messages, maybe more than like 11, because this one just run more than one time, because so that's why I have got every time it has sent 11 titles. So here you can understand that how schedule trigger works. So you can see that I don't give any, I don't do anything in just Gmail note. So this one automatically sends after 30 minutes. So this is how you can also use your schedule trigger.